Hi there, this is Sally, and I want to introduce you to a new friend. This is Tasmin, my new best friend. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at her face. She has a high forehead, which is supposed to show intelligence, a short nose, and a pointed chin. Don't you think she's lovely? She has red, healthy cheeks and small ears. But just look at these stunning blue eyes. She has long eyelashes at the end of her eyelids and beautifully curved eyebrows. She always raises her eyebrows when she's shocked by something someone has said. Did you notice her mouth? Her lips are always smiling, and her teeth are perfect. Her lips were painted blue for Halloween, and she even had a blue tongue. Let's look at Tasmin's face again. Her high forehead, short nose, pointed chin, healthy cheeks, small ears, long eyelashes, eyelids, eyebrows, lips, teeth, and tongue.